About 10 years ago, this woman was involved in a fatal accident and that affected the kneecap. So that took off, the kneecap was removed.
They removed her kneecap.
Her kneecap. Papa, and performed surgery. After the surgery, she could not walk. While you were ministering, where she was sitting, she had a crack on the knee. Behold, when she looked, a new kneecap created by the power of God. Look at her.
What are you just waiting for in just?
Look at the leg. She said a new kneecap.
Is this how you celebrate?
Created by the power of God.
Bishop, sir.
She's my member.
She's a member of your. These are verified miracles, verified all over. You, sir, you know her.
My member.
Sir?
She's my member, Papa. Miracle power.
Is this how you celebrate the Lord?